Did you know that a poorly set up QuickBooks profile can lead to financial chaos? A well-structured company profile is crucial for maintaining accurate bookkeeping and ensuring tax readiness from day one. Let's explore why this matters. Let's dive into creating your company profile in QuickBooks Online. Start by entering essential company information accurately. This step is foundational for generating precise financial reports. First step, go to the Settings option, which is represented by a cog icon at the top right. A pop-up menu will appear, and under your company, select the first option, Account and Settings. Next, check the company info is correct, and if it is not, click Edit to change the information. Be sure to record a correct email address, as this can be used for customer-facing emails sent from QBO. The next section, Legal Information, is essential for an accurate setup, as these details such as GST number appear on your invoices and across multiple QuickBooks Online reports. You can also select your business type from the drop-down box. Enter the legal address if it is different than your mailing address. The final section is how customers can connect with you. If they reply to an emailed invoice, the email address that will automatically populate for the customer will be what you enter in this box. When you have verified that everything is accurate, click the Done button at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Remember, a well-set-up profile is your first step towards financial clarity. By investing time now, you streamline your financial management and avoid future headaches. Start your QuickBooks journey today. Set up your company profile and take control of your financial future. Let's make your business thrive with accurate and efficient bookkeeping.